Have you ever wondered how to achieve a sleek updo the easy way? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I installed this frontal as well as how I got this really thick, beautiful wig into this sleek ponytail, baby. It's so elegant and it was really easy to achieve. Okay, sis, let's get into the details of this wig. So I was sent a Kinky straight frontal, and with this wig it came with the Kinky curly edges, which you can see right here. They are short, so they're already cut edges. You got adjustable straps, combs, and this is a 13x4 frontal. So I did go in and bleach my knots. I'm showing you guys here, and I'm actually using like this little spatula. Best thing I could have done with my frontal wig. So yeah, go get you one of those. Here's how my frontal looked after I washed the bleach out, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks on. You can see the lace is very light and white. This hair is super thick, but I'm going to put it into a ponytail, and you can wear it down, up, however, but I'm going to show you how to do that sleek ponytail that you seen at the beginning of this video. So I'm using this lace, well, it's not even lace tint, it's spray tan, girl, but I'm using this lace tint, and you see it worked like magic. Now it matches my skin and it's not that white cast look. So I'm using this adhesive just all around my hairline and an old ball cap that I tried to save. So yeah, don't pay attention to that. And I just be pulling my wigs down without the glue turning clear, because this is like some old glue, but I really like it. And if it dries white, I just add makeup, which you're going to see me add later on in the video. So go ahead and cut my ear tabs just so everything can fit nice and even. And now you see me going in with the makeup to cover up the white, because if I wait for it to dry clear, then it's like too dry. So I just put it down while it's white and then fix it with makeup. And then I'm using my eyebrow archer, and then I started to like put it right there and then pull it, because they say that's how you're really supposed to do it, but I like just jagging it. And I'm using this like knee highs to lay down my wig. They sent me some lace, like a wig melt band as well, but the stockings just really do it for me. So here I'm just going in creating a top part for my ponytail and using my wax stick and my hot comb to get everything flat. The same thing that I would do as if I was to wear this hair down, even though I'm putting it in a ponytail. So now we getting into actually doing the ponytail, and I'm pulling out the perimeter of this wig so that I will be able to pull my wig up into a pretty tight ponytail without pulling it all the way up, since I don't have lace in the back to like glue it down. I find this way easier to pull out my edges and then go back and add my hair in a ponytail, but if you want, you can just tie a scarf around it to try to keep it from rising up. So then I'm going back in with my hot comb, since this is like a kinky straight wig, to try to get it to lay a little flatter. Next time I think I probably will like just straighten the wig and then install it into like a ponytail to make it easier, because girl, this hair is so thick and it's so much hair. If you want a really thick wig, baby, this one is for you. I can only imagine how this hair looks straightened. I know it's beautiful, I know it will be so thick and full, but the fact that I'm putting it into this ponytail and it's so thick, you guys, it is just crazy. I love this wig. I love the edges. I love the thickness. I love how full it is. I love how long it is. So y'all definitely click the link down below and go get this wig. Like right there, I think I was just excited that I got in the rubber band, because I tried to put in the rubber band prior to this and the rubber band popped. So when I actually got that into a rubber band, I was excited. And when I go to add in the rest of the perimeter pieces, I'm not even going to put a rubber band in it. I'm only going to use hairpins because it's so thick. So once I get everything out of the way and I have my main ponytail, I will go back and add the perimeter into the ponytail, and just taking that comb that comes in the back and make sure I push it up into my braids. And then I go in with hairpins to secure it all around to try to make it look more natural, and that's exactly what it did. Like, mission accomplished, because to me it looked real natural. So plus I pulled out those little side pieces, you know, to cover up a few knots back there. But yeah, And then after that, I go in the front to pull out my baby hair. I love baby hair, and for this wig to already have like pre-made edges, and then the fact that they are longer and not just those little short nappy edges, I love that. Even though this is like a kinky wig, it is perfect. So I'm going in with like some holding spray to hold everything back in the front, since I just installed that with some hairpins instead of using a rubber band, because girl, this hair was thick. So I cut me some layers in the front, and then going through with my wand curl to get everything right. And then I'm using my curlers in the front just so I can have like more volume instead of like some small little baby curls using that wand curler. And then just get my holding spray so that will stay. And now I'm going to work on this ponytail. So first I used these curlers, but it's like my curls was just too big and not doing it. So that's how I wore it the first day, like kind of like a little messy bun. And then that just wasn't it. So I came back the next day and I started using like wand curls after I did my makeup and got everything right. So I also added another rubber band right there to try to give me like some volume, because I've seen a lot of girls do this hairstyle, and I'm still kind of confused how they get their bun up so high. So that's how what I did is I used another rubber band to try to give it like some volume, and then I just went in with my hairpins and added them until I was satisfied. And honey, I don't know if it was the makeup look, the orange, the dress, my lips, my face, my hair, the texture, the baby hair, what it was, but baby, I was in love with this style. It came together so good. It was so cute, so sleek, so elegant. And then to just know that this is like a regular frontal wig and it's not even a 360 unit, and it looks amazing, like it was like a sew-in or something. I was so in love with this. Y'all definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this look and how y'all like these edges, because baby, y'all know I be for it and it was popping tints for me. So definitely let me know what you think down below, and I love you guys, and I'll see y'all next time in the next video. So just enjoy the rest of these looks, because I have a lot, because I was feeling myself and I couldn't get up out of this camera. I just couldn't. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time.